In this video, we will be looking at writing classes. There are many subgoals for writing a class because writing a class contains many different parts. First, we name it. Then we differentiate between class level and instance level variables. We differentiate between class level and instance level behaviors or methods. We define any class level variables as needed, and we define instance level variables, the ones we want to be stored for every instance. Now we are given this problem. We will be writing a class to represent an instance of time, like a specific time in the day. For the first part, determine the appropriate attributes, or data, to be stored and declare them. For subgoal 1, we name the class. We will call the class TimeType. Notice that TimeType is capitalized, as most classes in Java begin with a capital letter. For subgoal 2, we differentiate between class level or static variables versus instance or object level variables. For class level variables, there is one value shared between all instances. For instance level variables, each instance has its own copy. For our example, TimeType, we want all time instances to be in the same format, so we will use static data for format, and everything else will be instance variables. For subgoal 3, we differentiate between class level and instance level methods. All methods will be instance level, since the format will be a fixed and unchangeable constant. For subgoal 4, we define the class variables as needed. When defining the variable, we need a name, a data type, and to determine if they are public, private, or final. For this example, we want the format, which we will call format 24, indicating that all times will be in a 24-hour format, to be class level, so it is static. We want it to be a constant, so we declare it as final, and it will be a Boolean, which is true or false, and in this case, true. Notice that because we declared this as final, it can also be public. For subgoal 5, we define the instance variables. Again, all of the instance variables need a name, a data type, and should all be declared as private. We want to represent the time of day using 3 different variables, all integer type. One integer will represent the hour, another will represent the minute, and the last integer will represent the second. Here is the UML diagram, the Unified Modeling Language diagram for the time type. Notice, this is a big box broken into 3 pieces. The top piece is the name of the data type, or the name of the class. The middle section contains all of the variables, or data attributes. The bottom section will contain all of the methods or behaviors. The minus sign indicates that they are private. The plus sign indicates that they are public. Each one is declared, followed by a colon, followed by its data type.